Hello, and welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm continuing to torment, and as you can see, we're now up to, it's been running through 379 times, which it really hasn't been running for 6 hours and 20 minutes and 19 seconds, but I did set the timer. I should set it back to 0 to see. And it has produced 6 errors in the time that I started this running. And chances are the errors are indeed happening when the drive tries to copy. Because if you look at the directory, that same user file, CBM, is still squirrely. Now, I did make some changes to the program, and I may actually, I can't go there the way I would like. Right, and that's shift key squirrelies. Okay, right. IST. Okay, we'll set the timer back to 0. So we've added another variable. So x equals 0, ti string equals 0, 0, y equals 0, er equals 0. And y is another counter for the copying test. Er keeps track of the disk errors. And then we go through pretty much the thing. I did find something, though. In the go sub, I did have to put this in. I put if ds does not equal 0, then er equals er plus 1 to keep track of errors. But if I had the print ds, print clear screen, semicolon x, semicolon ti string, error, semicolon, er after that on that if it wasn't more, sorry, if it wasn't, if it was 0, it didn't seem, it didn't get there. So anyway, I've got a new line. So now, yes, in 200 it headers drive 1, and then it goes up to 100 print, and then it keeps track of how many times it's been doing this, and it tries to copy, and then of course it doesn't work. And I wonder, did I add anything else? I think that's it. I think that is all I did. So if I go up here, and then I go down here, but I'm not ruining this line. I'm just dropping in. Doesn't hurt that line. Okay. So I'll try this again, but I know it's not going to work. So it's going to run. It's done no errors, but it will. It will as it torments. But the nice thing is the drives are sounding fine. I should clean the heads and grease the rails. Now, I suppose another thing I should do is look for another disk, because certainly this thing, whatever this is, it is not happening. And it's not that I don't have other disks. I do. I do indeed. So perhaps what I'm going to do, I grabbed some out of a box here. I'm going to go out into the light. Alright. Hello. So it is doing its stuff. It is. Anyway, I had a random bunch of disks here. So right now it's formatting drive 1. And it will. Oh, I don't have time. Oh. Okay, so now it's going to try and start to copy, and it won't work. And it will fail, and it will produce an error. And so be it. But I found another disk here. Perhaps it is worthy of trying to be the source disk. Have I looked at this disk ever before? No, I have not. I have not at all. So here probably comes the error. There's the error. All right. Hello. Runs up. All right, I'm going to take the 1571 test demo disk out. I have this other disk. I'm going to put into drive 0 and see if it indeed comes up with anything. And immediately, it is making not tremendous noises, and it comes up with nothing. Well, this may not be a great candidate. Well, isn't that annoying? Ow. It does seem to be. Oh no, the label is sticking. That's not good. Let's try the other side. Oh, that doesn't sound good either. Okay, so this candidate with a sticky label is not a suitable candidate. Let's try something else. I will just grab a random disk here, as I am in the dark, and I'll just see what up with this. My typing is not good in the dark. Yeah, this is going just dandy. Nothing is working. Oh golly, I hope these ones don't have micro corrosion, and I hope the head has not been violated. Oh golly. Okay, there's something. Menu, max boot. Ha 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 ha. Okay, it says work. And does it do it again? It does. Okay, you know what we'll do? We'll run it. This should not take too long, as things are initialized in catalog, initialized in catalog, initialized in catalog. Oh, excuse me. We shall see what we shall see. And what is this max menu, whatever? I don't know. Probably for the 64. Probably. All right. So we be format. Yep. We be format. Which still seem to be fine. I mean, from what I can tell, this drive is just dandy. Dandy. But you never know when a bad disk might be confounding and have doubt slipping into your mind about whether it's good or not. We shall see. Anyway, in a moment, it should be ready to start to copy. So it said okay. And it seems to be fine. It does. So let's see if it too produces any error messages. giving the lens a little rub down. Alright, so things seem to be copying. The lights, I like it when it's also cool. And the light, oh, what do we got? What do we got? No errors. And things are doing their thing. Much shorter directories, but they are matching, and it seems to be quite fine. So this is good. It is good. You know, I could put in another thing, depending if I felt like it, to have it do a backup. I could. Alright, now it's going to go and copy some more. So that's probably a good start. So I'm going to let this torment itself for a while, and I'm going to leave it where it's doing it like every 10 times or so. And then we'll come back again, we'll have a look. Maybe I'll add in another thing where it might decide that after a certain number of things it'll do a copy, and another thing where it does a certain number of things, maybe it'll do a backup. Anyway, thanks for coming. We'll see you again. David Bradley in the TV room, signing off. Bye for now.